Welcome to the famous exhibitions and trade fairs organized by GS Marketing Associates in association with the Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry. At GS, our main motto is, our business is to grow your business, which is why we have many repeat participants for many years due to business generated through our fairs. Our fairs are approved by ITPO, which comes under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. We would like to show you some glimpses of our previous successful fairs. GS Marketing Associates is a leading and well-known organizer of trade fairs and exhibitions in India. GS has a rich experience of more than 24 years in organizing trade fairs. GS has organized over 165 successful exhibitions and trade fairs in India. GS is backed by a well-experienced team of highly motivated professionals who are constantly making the company and its fairs grow from strength to strength. The Bengal Chamber is the oldest and most respected institution of its kind in India. GS Marketing Associates pioneered the India International Mega Trade Fair, or IIMTF. Over the last several years, this fair has become a much-awaited event in the annual fair calendar of many cities in India. This prestigious trade fair is equipped with AC hangars, AC conference hall and seminar room, VIP lounge, lighting arrangements and basic furniture for each stall and a cafeteria to cater to the participants and the visitors. The India International Mega Trade Fair is the most famous fair in India after the ITPO Pragati Maidan Fair. GS organizes the press conference on the first day of the exhibitions, where reporters from all the leading dailies go round the venue and give these exhibitions maximum mileage in their dailies. The organizers have got local government support and can also organize meetings with government officials through the Bengal Chamber of Commerce. We expect at least 14 countries to participate in our fairs. The facilities given to our foreign participants with substantial bookings include free transport from the hotel to the fair venue and back, complimentary lunch during the fair. We will negotiate the rate for their hotel accommodation. We will help them to clear the materials from the customs through a C&F agent at cost. We can organize a business-to-business meet with 1 month's advance notice and with your total support at the conference hall in the fair. Our business hours are from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The general visiting hours are from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. We provide credit card punching facility. The fairs have many air-conditioned pavilions dedicated to different products and subjects. Our fairs have impressive footfalls. In Kolkata last year, we had over 700,000 visitors at the fair. In Bhubaneswar, we had 600,000 visitors. In Ranchi, we had 300,000 visitors. And in Jamshedpur, we had 350,000 visitors. 40% of the visitors are business visitors. These visitors include industry leaders, high government officials, corporate decision makers, manufacturers, traders, and a large number of customers. Our fairs attract visitors from neighboring states and countries. We get the participation of many states of India in a big way. We are now going global by organizing fairs in Nepal and Bangladesh. The attractive ambience of our fairs is of international quality. There will be car parking space available. We plan to take our fairs to more and more cities in India and other countries in the near future. We look forward to see you at our fairs. Come and participate in our fairs and see your business grow.